sinabi ko na kagad dyan during my first hearing pa. Yung bago pa ako Chief PNP, di ba yun ang issue. First hearing pa lang, sinabi ko na sa Senate eh. Sabi ko, Sir, Your Honors, the PNP alone, inulit ko, Sir, I repeat, alone, cannot stop getting permanently, again, permanently. We can do it temporarily, say, sabi ko, 2 weeks, probably. Kapag nagkakampaign kami, di ba? Hintuan yan eh. Kung hindi man huminto lahat, minimize. Kasi tataguan din. Pero alam mo yan eh, sa tingin ko, ang solusyon dyan eh, comprehensive eh. Everybody should participate eh.
Sir, kumusta yung mga cases against policemen? Kasi sabi ni SILG, by January 0 na yun.
Actually, this is not the first time that it happened. I think it happened in the past na nag-0. Kaya naman. Kaya lang talagang we have to relieve people from their posts. Kasi ang isang na ang problema natin kasi sa administrative cases, we have no permanent hearing officers. In short, we have no permanent judges to try cases of policemen administrative. Under the law, yung mga officers natin, halimbawa chief of police, o investigation officer, o intelligence officer, anybody of us, or anybody of them, may be appointed as hearing officer in addition to their regular jobs as chief of police, as this, as that. So in short, yung pagiging hearing officer is only a secondary job. That's because of delay. But ang mga namit ko na dyan, which I think to me, so far, yung mga namit ko sa regional, so far, in fairness naman sa iba, hindi ko naman nabibisita. So far, yung Region 6, chaired by the governor of Negros Occidental. You know what, ma'am? Nung pumisita ko doon, siyempre, volunteer ako to meet the regional. Alam mo, pagdating ko ron, yung ipinresent nila sa akin doon, it's an interim ng regional crisis management ng region. Crisis management manual. Then ipinasend nila sa akin, tingnan ko ba, maganda. Siloilo. And then, to top it all, ipinasend sa akin yung crisis management manual ng region. Regional lang. Nandun mga mayors. And then, to top it all, biglang mayroon ding binigay sa akin an interim media protocol. Media protocol na protocol ng media during crisis.
Who prepared that media protocol?
The media are members eh. In fact, ang nag-present sa akin was the chairman and the association of media men. Did you see? Pinresent sa akin. He said, this is the sample of the media protocol that we developed together with the Peace and Order Council. Sabi ko, you're the first one in the country. If all regional Peace and Order Council or if all Peace and Order Councils, whether provincial or municipal, are like this, wala tayong problema. At that time, it was Pagdilaw. Ngayon, nasa Region 4. That's why now, Pagdilaw now is in Region 4. He is now replicating. He's in the process of replicating the Regional Peace and Order Council. He talked with the President.
He worked closely with the regional director.